We are here in the International University for the Humanities and Development in the heart of Ashgabat. On the eve of the 5th anniversary of the first English-speaking union of the country, Orient wants to reveal how future specialists of international law, commerce, computer technologies and other professions are trained.
The main distinction of the IUHD is teaching classes in English language, the mean of communication of more than 1 billion people from 100 countries. To ensure a high level of English proficiency, first-year students are provided with a 1-year language course and study of professional terminology in accordance with their future specialization.
Why teaching all subjects in English are so important?
You know that English language is one of the famous languages around the world, and you can easily get any kind of information in English language. So our students also can benefit by using websites in English language. For example, they can get the information for their thesis work at university. You know, special recognized universities around the world, they just deliver their speeches and lectures in English language. So our university also have a list of universities around the world, with their very famous universities around the world. And we have memorandum of understanding with these universities, famous country universities. First memorandum of understanding was signed with the Wright State University of the USA and other countries like the Republic of Korea and Japan.
The university building is functional and equipped with the latest technologies by what students can put their knowledge to use. There are TV studio, language laboratories, electronic library, computer rooms and fitted classes.
Okay, Mr. Nazar, which achievements do your students have?
In fact, we can show our achievements very clearly because we have created a special museum of our university's achievements and we are very proud of them. Okay. If you allow, let me show you the achievements.
What can you tell about prospects of students?
Our university is international university. They learn English language and all courses are taught in English. So in future they will be ready to participate in the international workforce and contribute to the development of our country and work in international organizations, state agencies of Turkmenistan. In addition to their courses, they also participate in national contests, Olympiads and international Olympiads, debate clubs. Many social cultural contests are conducted and our universities actively participate in those activities.
The IUHD invites leading experts from various spheres to conduct introductory seminars for students.
IUHD made a great impact in the volunteering action in Turkmenistan. May you tell more about that?
Yes, the volunteers in our university are special, differing to the other universities. So one of the main special things I can tell about this, the foreign language we've been studying in all classes, and that's why we can easily make the volunteering activities more than comparing to other universities. So our students are sent abroad to take some experience and continue their volunteering activities in a very skilled manner. Moreover, our volunteer center prepares our volunteers in a very best way to complete and accomplish our events.
What is innovative about your course?
My course is Human Geography. This is a class where we understand the connection between human actions and climate change. Right now it's Anthropocene, when humans actually producing the climate change. And in this class we discuss different topics as sociologists and how we can make a contribution to sustainable development with different policy solutions. This is Uzuk, my student, and she'd like to talk more about her topic.
Yes, my presentation was about on textile and fashion, its environmental aspect and how it contributes to the society. So at the end of my presentation we had to come up with solutions in order to sustain our planet and to contribute to the sustainable development goals. So this is about ethics, how to, as a consumer, how to ethically use our wearings.
Each year, the International University for the Humanities and Development takes in about 300 students who, after graduation, joins the rank of the civil servants of Turkmenistan. They can use the skills got while studying at the university to integrate in professional processes and realize themselves on the world arena.